Okay, so take 1 cup of softened butter and beat lightly in your bowl. Next, you're going to take 4 cups of powdered sugar, sifted. Sifting it removes all the lumps from the mixture, so it's smooth at the end. Also, just a word of advice, if you do this in the summer, make sure everything that normally is refrigerated is like straight out the fridge, or else your mixture is going to separate due to the heat. But once you have your mixture mixed, you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of heavy cream, and mix to combine. Every so often, your mixture, if due to the heat, comes out liquidy. An easy fix is to simply add more powdered sugar to give it the stiffness that you like. I wound up adding the equivalent of 1.5 more of the 16-ounce boxes to it. The recipe called for 4 cups, and I think when I first started and I filmed this, I only did like 2 cups, and then I went like, wait, what's going on? Because I only did the equivalent of 1 box of powdered sugar, which is 16 ounces, and I went like, should I do it by the weighted, or should I, by the weighted I mean like, should I weigh it out and then use it, or should I use the measuring cups? And it turns out that I really should have used the weight scale, because when I did it through the measuring cups, the little bit that I had in the bowl was actually 4 cups. So I learned from that, and you guys now can learn from that. So I did the equivalent of 4 cups weighed on a scale, not measured out. I actually ran out of powdered sugar while filming this, so I had to go out and get more. But as you can see, the more powdered sugar I added, the more stiff it became. So yeah, it came out pretty good actually once I added enough of the powdered sugar. So hope you guys enjoy it. And this is just simple whipped vanilla buttercream icing.